So if you find yourself in this position, this is how to pick the bike back up. So in this video, I'm talking about how to pick up a dropped motorcycle. So that's a common fear for many people, especially if you ride a big heavy bagger like this 2017 Ultra Limited. A good way to offset that is to practice picking up your motorcycle before you ever drop it in the first place, because honestly, it's good to prepare for the worst. There's a saying that says luck favors the prepared, and that is so true. If you do find yourself having to pick up this bike in traffic, you know you can do it. It won't be the first time you've ever tried. Without further ado, let's get right into it and let's see, how do we pick up this bike and how do we lower it down if we're practicing picking up the bike. See this mat I've got here? This is a big heavy rubber mat. You can get stuff like this at Tractor Supply. It's like a horse stall mat, and you can lower your motorcycle down onto something like this and not have to worry about scuffing up your pretty black finish or your chrome finish. What you do is, to lower your motorcycle, I'm going to upright the motorcycle just like this. I got my hip against the tank so the motorcycle can't fall over. And I'm going to go ahead and turn around and place my butt kind of on the edge of the seat. And then I'm going to turn the handlebars all the way to the right. Just like that. Okay, so from here, I do an underhand grip on the right hand grip and I apply the front brake. Underhand grip, hold the front brake, overhand grip on the saddlebag guard, and then I've got my back in an upright position and I start just slowly stepping out, just slow steps, little steps, and the bike starts going. And then towards the end, I'll just squat it gently on down, and the bike is laid over, but it's not hurt. Like, there's absolutely nothing wrong with the bike laying over on its side like this. The oil stays in the right places. It's when the bike goes all the way over to the fairing, then you can run into some issues. You don't want to leave it over on the fairing. Well, one, obviously it can damage your fairing, and two, it's just not good for it. It's not good for it to be all the way over there. But in this position, you're good. You can practice this all you want. It's good to have a buddy over if you are going to practice this, just in case you're struggling with it, because some people do struggle more than others the first few times as they get their technique for lifting the bike up. And if you do have a buddy come over, just have him come over to the other floorboard, and he can put his foot up on the floorboard and kind of grab this side of it. Be careful with the grips though. Sometimes you can pull the little heated grip cap off of the Harleys. So just have him grab the bag and grab up under the handlebars over here, and he's going to pull and kind of stand on it as you lift up, and it comes up pretty easy, and you still get the experience of lifting up the motorcycle from a drop. So if you've dropped this in traffic, you want to make sure that you have turned your engine off. Okay, the engine's off. You want to make sure you are in first gear, and the kickstand or jiffy stand in this case is out. So yes, jiffy stands out, transmission's in first gear. It's not going to roll anywhere. You don't want to reach over the bike because you could end up burning your arms, and that's no good. So don't want to do that. So what you'll do, just lower yourself down into the seat. I'm going about halfway. I'm kind of like right here in the middle of the seat with my lower back, and my butt is kind of right in here. And what I'm doing is, I'm not lifting it. I'm not squatting the bike. I'm pushing into the seat, and I'm making the bike pivot upwards. So yes, it's a 950-pound bike, but it's not like you're actually lifting the bike. You're just pushing your weight into it, and it's causing it to right itself. So it's not as bad as it seems. So just squat down like this. You're in the squat position. Keep your back straight. You keep your back straight and your head up. Turn your bars all the way to the right. I do an underhand grip on this right hand grip, and I also apply the front brake. So the front brake's applied, jiffy stands down, we're in first gear. Even though this is sloped, we're not going nowhere. I do an overhand grip on the saddlebag guard, or if you don't have that, you might have to grab the seat or something depending on what you're riding. So got my overhand grip on the saddlebag guard, got my hand on this front brake, and then I just up, and then small steps, just like this. Just like that. And then I'll turn the handlebars back to the right direction, straighten any floorboards, and I'll cycle the key switch, and I am good to go.
Dad, do you think I could do that?
Absolutely. You want to try it?
Yeah, can we go do it now?
Yeah, let's go. I'll lower it down for you, and then you can try the lift. So it goes down the same way it goes up. Turn the bars all the way. I do an underhand grip. You can do an overhand grip, but this is the way I like to do it. On this bike, it has a saddle, so you can grab under the seat. If you don't have a saddle like this, you have to grab down here at the saddlebag guard. So just small steps to lower it down, nice and gentle. All right, so Number one, we want to make sure the bike's in first gear. Make sure the jiffy stand is out, and now you are ready. So let's see if you can do it. All right, so remember what the video shows. Turn your handlebars all the way. You can do an underhand or an overhand grip. Since you don't want to reach down to the saddlebag guard, you just grab there under the seat. Kind of get, yep, you're at the right spot. Remember, you're pushing into the seat. You're not squatting it straight up, so you're just pushing it backwards. Got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, ready? Just, all right, give it. First attempt. Nope, try again. You got it. All right, get your breath. All right, go. Got it, you got it.
There's a fly in there.
Your butt slipping in the seat. You got it. Remember, you're just pushing back and use that momentum that you have there, okay? Yep, go. Little steps, little steps. Ah, you had it. So if you get a little bit lower in the seat, you'll have it. All right. Remember handlebars, either over or underhand grip. As soon as you rock it, shoulders back, and baby steps.
Remember lower? Hold on. Oh my gosh, I'm not even recording. Like, that's the thing.
Kidding me?
That is the freaking thing.
You did it like it was your job. What?
This kid, and I'm not recording.
I'm just tired.
You're completely
You
camera
nailed
shy.
that one.
Come do it again.
That was perfect.
You got it, you got it. Come here.
All right. Do it.
Got that.
Okay.
Got that.
Oh. Okay, stop recording.
No, I just had to get Brendan.
No, don't test it. Well, okay. Stop recording.
He's not recording.
Oh, perfect. You nailed it. Handlebars out. Push them the other direction. All the way. Push them all the way that way. All right. You make sure the floorboards are good, and that's awesome. You did it. What you're going to do is have your buddy either grab here and just squat down and pull it like this, or you can have him put his foot up on the floorboard, grab under the handlebars here. I don't really like to grab the end of the handlebars because we pull these heated grip caps off kind of regularly, and it's not great. So don't want to mess those up. You're going to do all the normal stuff like you saw in the video. Only thing is, I'm just going to assist you. Let's do that. So get your butt positioned in the seat, got kind of in the squatting. Yep. Turn the bars, do an underhand grip on that. With this bike, you can grab a hold of the saddle. You don't have to grab all the way down there at the saddlebag guard because you've got a good grip right there on the saddle. So get your both legs bent. You're kind of in that, yep, that's perfect. All right, and then you tell me when you're ready. Ready?
Ready.
Yep, step, step, step. Perfect. I barely even helped you. Then we just straighten the handlebars out, make sure the floorboards are straightened back out, and it's ready to ride after you cycle the key switch. That's how you upright the motorcycle if it falls over on the right side. This is how you upright the motorcycle if it falls over on the left side. What you'll do to lower it down in practice, go ahead and stand the bike up. You kind of got it against your hip, and you're going to upright the jiffy stand. I'm going to turn my butt around until I get my butt positioned in the seat, and I'm going to turn the handlebars all the way to the left, just like this. Left hand is over the saddlebag guard. I like to do underhand grips when I lift the motorcycle, so I got my underhand grip on this. My right hand is on the left grip, and I'm kind of in this squatted position. I'm ready to lower the bike down, and I just do small steps, just like this, until the bike is resting over on its side. If you notice how gentle that is, it didn't hurt the bike. The bike's good. So, thing to watch out for. If you've dropped this thing in traffic, reach under there, make sure you're in first gear. If you're in first gear, it's not like you can put the jiffy stand down on the other side. Just be aware that there's nothing to catch the bike on the other side. So as soon as you get the bike upright, you want to be able to put that jiffy stand down and lean it over. So it's going to look something like this. It's kind of similar to the other side. Turn the bars all the way to the left this time, since I'm on this left side of the bike. I underhand grip. I'm not going to pull in the clutch. So don't do that, because right now I am on a slight incline. I'm not able to hold the front brake, so I'm not going to pull in the clutch. I need the motorcycle in gear to hold me here on this hill. So turn the bars all the way. I do an underhand grip on this left hand grip, overhand grip on my saddlebag guard. And so I'm pushing myself into the seat as I lift the motorcycle. So again, lift is a bad word because I'm not lifting it. I'm assisting it upright. I mean, I'm literally pushing myself into the seat, and that makes the motorcycle stand up. So just like this, got the bars turned, right hand over, got my hand over this saddlebag guard, keeping your back straight. You just start step, 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 step. And then once you get the bike upright, keeping both hands still on the bike, you're going to make sure you got that left foot planted good, and you use your right foot to put your jiffy stand out. So once your jiffy stands out, you can lower it back down on there, straighten any floorboards that might have gotten been up, and you're good to go. So if you've got value out of this video, be sure to give it a like, and I will see you on the next one, and let's continue to become a safer, more confident riders together. Thanks, guys.